How to use anti-gravity with Unity. So standard Unity physics applies a constant downward acceleration of 9.81 meters per square seconds via the global physics.gravity vector. If you want your objects to float, reverse their fall, or behave as if they are in a deep space anomaly, you cannot just delete the gravity component. You have to overwrite the force application. Alright guys, so you just open up your Unity project and select the object you want to float. And in the Expector tab, locate the rigid body component. Uncheck the Use Gravity box. This immediately halts the default integration of global gravity vector. However, if your object has mass, it will now float in a vacuum, completely unresponsive to physical forces. We need to add our own custom inverse force. Okay, and this takes us to the script, so you can create a new C script named anti-gravity and attach it to your object. Open your code editor and write this specific fixed update loop. This applies a force that is exactly equal and opposite to the global gravity vector, effectively cancelling it out and allowing you to adjust the anti-gravity multiplier. So using this custom force approach allows you to toggle anti-gravity behavior on and off dynamically during gameplay, which you simply cannot do with Use Gravity toggle. So hopefully this helps, guys. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.